Baby boy. So it's Father's Day, and I see your ass ain't give me shit for Father's Day, huh? No celebration, no text message, no Happy Father's Day, Dad? Okay, baby boy, I see how we doing this. I see how we doing this shit. Alright, I see how we doing this shit. Hold on 1 second. Baby girl, come on. Come on, yeah, keep sucking my shit, come on. Yeah, keep sucking my shit, come on. Anyway, little nigga, Snow. Since you don't want to give me shit for Father's Day, alright. I figured we bring out your childhood best friend. The one that I introduced you to when you was a little boy. Remember this? Yeah. So here's what the fuck gonna happen, little nigga. I'm gonna see you soon. Since you don't want to give me shit for Father's Day, alright, little nigga. Alright. See how we doing this? I see how we motherfucking doing this, alright. Alright, you little shit. Big drew it out, little nigga. See you soon.